Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 9th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So eventually the euro dollar did end up pushing down kind of like we expected. With this push down I have right here, I think this is likely a wave A. The fact that this to me looks more like a three-way pattern up. I guess you could possibly call it five waves, but to me it kind of looks more corrective like a five-wave or a three-wave pattern for a wave B. If that's true, that means that this is like a wave 1 and a wave 2, and this is probably actually a wave 3 of wave C. So I would definitely keep an eye on this 78% Fibonacci level just in case we do get a bounce. I would definitely be looking for shorts on shorter time frames, but if we do get a Fibonacci bounce or if we do get a breaker structure, it definitely could be the end of a wave C and the continuation of the uptrend. In the meantime, until you get that Fibonacci bounce and a breaker structure, I definitely would be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.